Stop by and take a look at the 2025 Passport. This compact SUV from Honda is a good compromise of size and comfort. The compact design lets you maneuver well through heavy traffic while still having ample space to carry most anything you need. The Passport gives you the comfort of Honda reliability and quality. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, power lift gate, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, power windows. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.